मालपेच्यो बोटी कम से कम 150 बोटी वयता कोडच्यान वयता ह्यो वचोन आमी बोट आडायली बोट आडायल्या उपरांत कितें जालें तांकां रावयलें म्हणजे दिसलें कोहेच रावना तेणें दाणे वचून अशें केलेलें ना म्हणून पूण मागीर आमी सगळे अशें उबे रावले ये करया काडया वयर चडले आमी 2-3 जाण आनी बोट आडायली तेजी रावयली.
We have also heard that they are carrying weapons. जे तोरसादी घेवन येतात ते पण मालपेचे म्हणून कितें ते बोटी. So we have told our policemen to go armed. And if anybody tries to take law in the hand, you can do what is as per law. कितें करपाक जाय ते एक्शन घ्या म्हणून. Patrolling of police vessels in north and south is very important to put an end to this illegal bull trawling. We have also discussed today on LED lights.
So today the message will go that is government will not tolerate these unregulated fishing activities. And it is my assurance to the honorable ministers and MLAs that we will work together to see that they should not take the sea or a river as their own property to violate the existing law of this.